Hello everyone and welcome back. Some of you might know that I do not have access to PCDMIS anymore. This is due to the change of companies that I work for. But I've searched my video library and find two new recordings on PCDMIS. So let me present to you how you can increase the graphical points in PCDMIS. It might help you if you do not know or if you simply forgot how to do it. So, let's get to it. On this part we have some points, as we can see here, and by default they are small like this. So it may be difficult for someone to notice them without zooming in on the zone they are taken. We can change these settings by going to the Edit tab, then Graphical Display Window, CAD and GDNT, and here we have to go to Symbols, where we can modify several settings, among which we have also the settings for the point symbol. Here we have three options that we can represent the point: as a round dot, as three lines, a vertical one, a horizontal one, and one that intersects both of them, and a sphere that is the default one on all versions of PCDMIS. So notice that right here where we have diameter, the value is 2, and we can change it to whatever value do we like to suit our needs. So I will change it to 5, and here is the result. We can also right click on the screen and hide all the labels if we want this. It is recommended when you have a lot of elements taken on the part. We can also bring them back like this, and there you have it. This is how you increase the graphical points on parts in PCDMIS. If this helps you even a little, then I am pleased, and my work here is done. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a nice one.